Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm present with another update video of Ecash coin. That guys, what's going on in the Ecash coin? What surprise changes occurring? What will be the next move of Ecash coin? Guys, we discuss these all things in this video. So just keep watching this video complete. And if you are new in my channel, or if you want update videos about crypto, so you have to subscribe here is stay channel. Here you found a latest update about crypto. So first of all, in this time the right now price of Ecash coin is about 0.000209 USD dollar. That is the current latest price of Ecash coin. And other side you can see a negative 4.28% changes occur in the XEC coin, guys. So you know what, the one thing about Ecash coin is that you can see 74.80% positive trading volume is going positive. That's unbelievable, guys. At 74% trading volume, oh my god. That's mean, guys, that people are still investing more and more in the XEC coin, guys, because you know what, in the previous time Ecash coin highly pump, and due to this highly pump, I think that a lot of people are investing in Ecash coin. I believe that for a long time Ecash coin will continue this pump. So just hold, guys. The huge pump, you maybe in the last half October, this huge pump will come. So just hold, guys. Anyways, now what's your opinion about Ecash coin? Also share in the comment box. Here you can see here market carefully diluted. These all things going negative, but don't take this serious, guys. Very soon you found these all things positive. Just hold. Anyways, what's your opinion? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.